Hi friends, today we're going to work on doing some of our incredible words for the words that you have for homework from your classroom. So these are going to be the words that are assigned when you come back from winter break, starting on January 4th and going to January 15th. So we're going to practice these words as incredible words so that you can learn them for your class assessment. What you need is a red crayon, your incredible word book, a screen, and a pencil. You need to have a place to work with a little space for your supplies. Have your crayon and pencil close by and have your screen ready. You can always pause my video to get what you need and then replay where you need to. Okay, so here's our first word. Our first word is the word near. Like I am sitting near you. So to write our word near, we're going to start at the ceiling, which is where that dotted line is. You're going to come straight down, up and over for your N. Then your E is also in the house and small. Your A is in the house and small. And your R. I'm going to switch my pen up a little bit. It's a little thin. I'm going to rewrite that for you again, nice and neat, because my N looked a little bit like an H. So we want our N's to look like N's. Down, up, and over. E, A, R, near. So now you get to write the word near, and I'm going to write it up here. N, E, A, R, near, and remember to say the letters as you're writing it. Now you're going to stand up, and we're going to tap it. N, E, A, R, near. N, E, A, R, near. N, E, A, R, near. You're going to sit down. Now you're going to get your finger, and you're going to trace the word near 3 times. N, E, A, R, near. N, E, A, R, near. And I'm changing colors just so you can see that I'm tracing 3 times. You're using your finger, N, E, A, R, near. Now, you're going to put your screen on top. I forgot to tell you, when you wrote the word, you're supposed to have your screen under. So when we do the next word, I'll try to remember to tell you to do that. So you can put your screen on top, and you're going to trace it with your finger 3 more times so you can really feel those letters with your finger. You ready? N, E, A, R, near. Make sure you're saying the letters and the word. N, E, A, R, near. N, E, A, R, near. Alrighty, so now you get to turn the paper over. You're going to still use your red crayon, but you're going to write the word near 3 times. And I think I need to switch my pen so it's skinny. N, E, A, R, near. All of those letters are in the house. They're small letters. N, E, A, R, near. N, E, A, R, near. Once you've done those 3 times and then you've used your best handwriting and they look good, it's time for a sentence. So you don't need to use our red crayon anymore. We get to use a pencil. I'm going to use a color that you can see on the page, but you're going to use a regular pencil. So we need a sentence for the word near. I'm going to use that sentence I used to give you an example. I am sitting near you. So I start with a capital letter, I. Now you can copy my sentence or you can write your own sentence. I'm going to leave a space, am, am. I am sitting. Okay, I know sit, it. Now there's two T's and an ing. To make it say sitting. I am sitting near, N-E-A-R, near. I am sitting near you. Y-O-U. Make sure you have your punctuation at the end of your sentence, and then you're going to underline near with your red crayon. Okay? I am sitting near you. That's our first word, the word near. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to do our second word, which is the word need. So let me erase need. I need a pencil to write with. Need. N E E D. Need. Okay, so the N and the E's are all small. The D is tall, that goes to the roof, and the two E's go together to make the long E sound E. This is the word need. Okay, so you're going to get your screen. You're going to put your screen under your paper, and you're going to write the word need. N E E D. Need. Okay. Now you can pick your book up. After you've written it, you're going to stand up and we're going to tap it. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. All right, we sit down. We get our finger, because you put the screen under this time, because I reminded you, you should feel the bumps from your red crayon and the screen. So you're going to trace it. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. All right, now you're going to put your screen on top so that you can feel the burn. That's when your finger gets nice and warm from tracing over the screen. And you're going to see the letters under the screen, and you're going to trace N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. Turn your paper over, and let me erase, and we're going to write the word need. You're still using your red crayon. N-E-E-D. Need. Make sure that D is nice and tall. N-E-E-D. Need. N-E-E-D. Need. And now we need to write a sentence. Let's see. I need, N-E-E-D, need a pencil to do my work. Period, capital letter, and I've underlined the word need. Okay, last word for this video is the word next. All of these started with N. So you are doing one word for on each page. If you run out of Incredible word paper, then you can just use regular paper. Our word is next. N E X T, next. So put your screen under. I am sitting next to you. Next. N E X T, next. All right, stand up. We're going to tap it. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. You're tracing it now 3 times with your finger. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. Put your screen on top and you're tracing with your screen. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. Now I'm erasing. And you're writing the word next 3 times. Make sure you're using the nice handwriting. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. N E X T, next. And time for our sentence. You can make up your own. I'm going to write I am, because we practiced those words in our first sentence, sitting next to you. Period. And you're underlining next in red, which I wrote in red this time. So there are your first 3 words: near, need, and next. I'm going to add a second video with the last 2 words, been and about. See you soon.